Namaste. My name is Rui Zimmer. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak, never buy ready-made baby food. And when I was a baby, there didn't exist baby food. And later there was Athleta and again scandals. But it's getting even worse. A huge scandal in the USA from the most popular baby food. They found very toxic heavy metals like arsenic. Think it over. Arsenic they give our babies. Mercury, yes, kill them. Found in popular baby foods. It makes me very angry, no? Okay. And the baby food producer are also as a drug producer. Think this over. Okay. The government of the USA is suing the biggest baby food producer for poisoning our babies. Yes. Finally, no? It is so easy to make your own baby food. My mother had done it. My grandmother had done it. My God, what's the problem? That is delicious and very healthy. You need just a good blender. And my mother didn't have such one. And then you make puree within 1 minute. You don't have 1 minute time for your baby? Okay. Out of apples, peaches, nectarines, strawberry, grapes, celery, spinach, sweet peppers, bananas, cucumbers, zucchinis, mangoes, snap peas, potatoes, you cook them first. No? Is it damn so difficult? You can add your breast milk or water to it, done. Oh, there is also avocado can you add. For instance, 4 to 6 months old baby. Puree from peas out of the fridge, don't cook them, banana, avocado, baked sweet potato, carrots. 7 to 9 months, pumpkin, cook them with thyme, spinach with white yams. My mother had done it, my God. And they have done it with potato, okay. I didn't like that. Beets, blueberry, potatoes, carrots, peas, papaya, we got all the time with spinach. Okay. Don't feed your baby with meat, fish, poultry, because they are total acid and unhealthy. Let your baby be a baby. And for sure, never give your baby white sugar. Okay. Thank you that I could help you and inspire you. Bye.